On 30th of June, the Central Board of Secondary Education issued a circular to all affiliated schools. The circular proposed celebration of Sanskrit language in a bid to popularize and stimulate interest among students. Cultural and academic activities were proposed to be held as a part of the fete. But now the circular has invited the wrath of opposition parties.
I think no language should be imposed on anyone. At the same time, there may be a provision, but if you try to impose the language, then unnecessary people react. Sanskrit is a good language, we always follow it, but it should not be imposed on anyone.
The DMK too joining in on the chorus of dissent over the circular.
I think it should be inclusive. There are so many languages which have a very rich heritage in this country. Tamil is a classic language, there is Urdu, there are other languages. I think it should be more region specific also. If you're doing it in Tamil Nadu, I think Tamil also has to be given an importance.
The BJP though was quick to retort, slamming the opposition parties for politicizing the issue.
This has to do with India's vast knowledge pool and heritage. And if there is some way of encouraging us to go back and seek that, what belongs rightfully to every Indian, how can that be a political matter? Those who raise this question have very narrow thinking, and they probably are trying to get political mileage because they have no other way of remaining relevant in the media.
Even as politicians are in a slugfest over it, academicians are unhappy.
I don't think we need to react to it strongly and take the political agenda very far. We as educators need to focus on what advantage will it bring to us. Why would we, as an ancient country with a 5,000-year-old civilization, lose the wisdom contained in an ancient language like this, which has been considered the mother of so many languages?
Some children learn it all the way up to class 12. So it's something which has always been a part of school. So I really don't know why we are sort of getting so worried about it.
The CBSE circular directing all affiliated schools to celebrate Sanskrit Week has led to a political furor. The BJP says that Sanskrit is a structured language that is accepted even in computers. Other political parties are accusing the government of promoting only one language and demand a more inclusive and region-specific approach. With video journalist Parvez, Vijay Kao in Delhi for Times Now.